Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to find the IP address of an email sender in Outlook. It's quick and simple. First, open the email you want to check. Click the three dots in the top right corner, that's More Actions. Then select View Message Source. A new window will appear showing all the technical details of the email. Look for the line that starts with Received. The series of numbers that follows is usually the sender's IP address. If it's hard to read, just copy all the text and paste it into tools like ChatGPT or Plexity to quickly extract the received lines and locate the IP address. And that's it. You now know how to find an email sender's IP address. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.